Woo, hello, Spufflez here at Sunfloradesuu. And Seaofwishes. I was like, wait, what's your cosplay name again? Because I always vlog with Flora.
The Seaofwishes.
The Seaofwishes.
Yes. The wishes of the dreams.
We here at the beach for Cosplay Beach Day. It is so nice out today. Oh my god. It is nice and sunny and it's not too hot, and I'm in my Clover cosplay from Zero Escape. What are you two cosplaying as?
Vermilia Scarlet from Toho Project.
Nice!
And Tox Neo Scum from the Neo Scum podcast.
Yeah!
Bunch of weebs at the beach just wearing a wig, and because we like to hurt, we don't know why we're doing this, because we're having fun.
Because we're having fun. Let's have fun, kids. Yeah.
It's very bright and sunny too.
I can't wait to go down by the water again. It was so nice before.
Oh yeah.
But I don't want to like mess up my makeup completely. So I'll go in fully later. And then yeah, I'll vlog for now. But yeah. Derp, it's so nice out. Wait, I'm gonna just woo! Yay! Hello brother, how are you today, Rio cosplay? You good? I'm good. Who are you cosplaying as?
Maxwell from Lopez.
Yes, Cat Boys. Are you enjoying the beach so far?
Yes.
You're ready to get zesty with the watermelons?
It is quite warm today, but that's okay.
It's alright, we can go in the ocean. The ocean is really nice.
Let's get I won't freeze to death.
You ready for good shit?
Ready for good stuff.
It's gonna be the derpiest vlog ever. Wait, I'm just gonna... Hello, Sunfloradesuu.
Ah, they're both. Please do.
Hello, Ember within. Oh my god, wait, I have to like move this way because the lighting is really bad. Here we go. The lighting is still bad. Oh, I got it, perfect. How are you, Ember within?
You said it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. In Topeka.
It's hot in Topeka. I'm a hot toe picker.
How you doing so far?
Dead.
That is a big mood. Wait, what?
I got in late last night.
Yeah, what time did you go to bed?
I like the Renaissance.
You went to bed so late. Were you working on cosplay again? Okay, I'm done. I'm done vlogging.
My big anime head. Well, what do you want? I don't know. You give me any sword, I guess.
Black or brown?
Brown.
I can't hear. Spin. Forward.
Left. Backward.
Turn around.
Backward.
Left.
Left.
Right. Right. Up. Just body slam it. End capitalism right now by smashing that sword. Smash that like button. Oh! Bless.
Turn to your left. Forward.
You should make a left turn, left. You should go left.
To the right.
Do not go left, you will to go right. You should go straight.